Hello. So jollof rice paste is essentially made to simplify dinner time. It's easy, it's quick. You just need water or stock and rice. The extra you see here are just extras. Shake it up, pour into the pot, add your stock or water. I used water because I don't have stock. And please make sure to seal if you have leftovers and put it in the fridge. Rinse your rice. This is long grain parboiled rice. Pour it into the pot, stir, and use a foil paper, very low heat, and wait. It's cooked now. This is when I add the butter, the red bell pepper, and tomatoes. And you can turn off the heat at this time. Stir it gently and serve.
How is it, Sonia?
The flavor. It's scrumptious.
Scrumptious.
We appreciate any feedback. If you have questions, please email us. Also, leave us a review on our website and social media. Thank you.